Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we have an unboxing and there is no children present. They've gone out with their dad bowling and to McDonald's for lunch. So I'm home alone and I've got Snack Surprise. Now, Snack Surprise is an incredible box. The box is amazing. The customer service is shit. They have recently changed hands apparently to Snack First, but it still says Snack Surprise on the outside. And this is the second box I've had in 5 days. The first box I didn't bother, I opened it and it was Portugal. And me and the kids just did it. And then I got a text to say, your every delivery driver now has your Snack Surprise. And I'm like, what? Like, this is PR, I don't pay for this. I used to pay for it years ago. And then they asked me if I wanted PR. I said yes, and they were amazing, they were so good. Then I think somewhere they changed hands and the customer service, they literally email me now asking me if I want PR, and I'm like, you send me PR. I really don't recommend the box unless you can buy a one-off box. If you can buy a one-off box, do it, because they're always fucking amazing inside. They're so good and they're such good value. Or if you don't mind crap customer service, go for it. My discount code doesn't work anymore, I don't think. I'll leave it, but I don't think it works. I don't earn anything from that. But we're just going to open it. So I just literally popped the top of this one to see if it was the same as the Portugal box. It's not, it's different. It's different. It's South Korea. Like, literally, today is New Year's Eve, and I got the other one on the 27th, and that was Portugal. So, it now says Snackverse here. It's a different thing. Like, when it was Snack Surprise, you got like a booklet that told you loads of stuff, but this is just a sheet of paper, and it says Snackverse on the bottom. So, and I assume they're still doing, like, they normally do a mini box, an original box, and a premium box. This is the premium box, but it doesn't say on here, like, this is your mini box, this is your original box, this is your premium box. So I literally have no idea. I'm just going for it. So the first thing I've got is shrimp flavoured crackers. I've had these before and they're absolutely delicious. They are so good. They look like little shrimp-a-limps. And they are so savoury. Oh my god, they're so good. They're so fucking good. You can buy these in Sainsbury's. And it says hot and spicy. My kids eat these. There's literally nothing hot or spicy about them, but they are. Oh, I could literally eat the whole bag. They're so good. So good. Mwah. We got a drink. This, and again, it doesn't, normally you get a thing telling you what it is. Like, it will say, like, this drink is got caffeine in it, this drink is alcoholic, but it says nothing. So this is Lot Milkis soft drink. Water, fructose, sugar, skimmed milk powder. It sounds gross. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's fizzy. It's fizzy milk. Yep, I'm just gonna get a glass to show you. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it's cream soda. It's cream soda. It's cream soda. It's delicious. Absolutely yummy. Cream soda. 10 out of 10. That's yummy. Next up, I've got a custard cream cake. It smells good. It's got like a egg custard in the middle. Oh my god, that's like heaven in a cake. That's delicious. I'm only having little bites because the kids will be back soon and they will be livid that I've opened it without them. But I don't care. This is a Korean glutinous rice cake coated with chocolate and filled with black sesame cream. It looks like a really big Viscount, like a Viscount biscuit. It does feel very... Ooh. Oh, it's good. The texture is like mochi ice cream. Yeah, that. Oh my goodness, that is so good. I'm putting that in the fridge. The kids won't eat that. I'm not going to waste that on them. I'm going to put that in the fridge and that's going to be amazing. I love like the Little Moons mochi ice cream. That is the same texture. And it's really chocolatey and that's really nice. Ooh! Okay, we've got a choco pie with marshmallow filling. This looks like a really big wagon wheel. Wow. It is. It's like a wagon wheel, but cakey rather than biscuity. That's yummy. That's very, very light. That's delicious. Oh, this is fun. Ooh. What are you? Oh, this looks like the, I can't remember how, it's THEOBOKKI. And I had the rice cakes, like the hot rice cakes. And that's what these look like. They look, oh my god, that's reluctant to come out. Ooh, this is them. It says they're spicy. There's a sweetness to them. Like once you bite them, they're savoury, but the outside tastes like it's got like a corn syrup. The texture is really good. I'm not sure about them. I feel like there's something, if they're in front of me, I'd aimlessly pick at them, but the whole time I'm like, do I like it? Do I not like it? It's the sweetness I'm not 100% on, but the texture's really good. I've got a little chocolate coated cake. This looks like the wagon wheel one, but square. Good. That's really, the kids are gonna love these. Oh, I'm not opening this. My gummy grape jelly. I don't eat purple things, and that looks like purple. It feels like tapioca balls, which I love, but I don't want to waste that. So I'll see if the kids want to try it, and if they do, I'll get them to show you. But I know I won't like that. Next, we've got corn fried. A little corn snack. Oh, it is teeny tiny corn. It's literally sweet corn. Oh my god, that's hard. No. Oh no. Not a fan of that. Nope. Nope. It's my first no. What are you? Soft drink, bong bong, green grape. A little green grape. It's a teeny weeny can. Let's just pour it in. Oh, it's clear. Ooh, that smells amazing. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely delicious. And it's not fizzy either. Oh, that tastes like something. That tastes like a sweet. I can't put my finger on it. That is yummy. Oh my god. That's so good. Okay, next. It says Biscuit Cereal Choco on the back. Here, like they've got like a label like with all the ingredients so you know about like whether you're allergic to anything in it. Oh, it does look like cereal. It's just chocolate wheat cereal. That's nice. Oh, we've had ones like these. These are the little chocolate biscuits with the little faces on. You can buy them with like pandas on and stuff, I think. Tesco sell them. Yeah, these are so good. Let me see if there's a cute one. You can't really see it. That one's got like, it looks like a sad onion. Delicious. I buy these all the time for me and the kids. They're yummy. These are like wafers. There's 2 packets of these. It doesn't say anything on them. Oh. Well, gonna have to be a psycho and just bite it. Yeah, it's just a wafer. It's like got chocolate, but it's hollow. So, there's chocolate coat in the inside of the wafer. They're nice, very light. Coconut biscuits. The kids are now back. Oh, you get lots of little packets. Oh my goodness. You get like 2 of these. They're really nice. I wouldn't know it's coconut. They just taste like a nice biscuit, like it's like a nice biscuit. They're like a shortbread. Let me go and get the kids to come and try these ones. The kids are back just eating their McDonald's. This just says, I think it's like white chocolate biscuits. There's lots of them in here, little, oh, it looks like a Madeleine texture. It is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just melts in your mouth. Oh my god, amazing. And then there's lots of little sweets which I don't want to eat. And then there's some noodles, which I'm not going to open now, but they look amazing. Hot chicken flavour ramen noodles. The South Korea boxes are always amazing. They're always one of my favourites. So, yeah. I'll let the kids try some stuff later and I'll show you. Wow. The day got away from us, but the kids have tried all of these things. Obviously not that. They tried all these. They loved these again. And then they ate all the cakes as well. So, yeah. Mika? Yeah. Come here, babe. What was your favourite thing from the box? What would you like? You liked the little custard cake, didn't you? And the little chocolate cakes.
I like the biscuits.
The biscuits?
I don't know what one. I like the brownie thing.
These are good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. And these ones are really nice.
They just melt in the
And what did you think of these?
Good.
Are they spicy?
A tiny bit.
Yeah.